Welcome back to LSP, everybody. This was week 6, the end of March, beginning of April. It was actually the first week since season 2. I started season 2 that I was red on the week. One trade on the Tuesday, and it was a big emotional mistake, and I'll dive into that next. So as you can see here, I am trading KIDZ, and just on the open you can see it just rips up there. I'm not interested in buying that just yet, but I'm waiting for that pullback, and what I should have done here is that tight squeeze where there was a lot more buyers than sellers. I should have bought in here now, and then that just rips right up. I bought in just a little bit later, so I was okay with the entry point. I was quite happy with that. Obviously I'm thinking here it does a little pullback again, and I buy a bit more. You can just see I'm just waiting for that little pullback, and then it goes back up again, and there you go, that buy-in again. There's the confirmation. I'm very happy with the entry point. Is the exit points that I was emotionally driven on this one. So right here now you can see I'm still buying different amounts, 10% at a time, or I'm in 40% total before I fall in my full buying power. You can see now I'm in on the full buying power, and it goes up right here right now, and I'm up $50 very shortly. You just don't see that in that moment. $50 is all right. I should have sold right here right now, but then you can see it pulls back, and I can already see on the MACD that it's already having a crossover, and this way I should have just cut my losses. $50 down, cut out. That is where my mistake was, and I just run it all the way down till now, till I'm $187, because I'm like, yep, I should have just got the $20 out there because I was ready to sell, but I sold the 10% because I was hoping it was going to go up, so I should have just got out of the whole position then. But you can see it just slowly goes down, and I should have listened to all the indicators, but this was just a FOMO emotion saying, it's going to go up, it's going to go up, it's going to go up, but it didn't. Of course, I sold out, ended the position, $187 loss, and that was because I was not listening to the indicators and really trading emotionally. So this next trade here now on the Thursday, I'm trading BDRX, and I was very happy with this trade. I decided, based on what my trading pattern looks like, the first 20 minutes of trading, so you can see I'm trading at 20 minutes after the open now, and I'm like, that's much better option for me, because it was, I think for the beginning, it's so volatile that I'm just trying to jump in, and I'm just thinking FOMO, and I'm wanting to get in on that. So whereas after 20 minutes it's kind of calmed down a little bit, and I can just use the indicators to tell me when I'm in and when I'm out. You can see here I'm not in, I'm just waiting patiently. I've got my buy ready on the 10%. I'm waiting for that pullback, and here I'm just seeing what it's going to do, whether it's going to drop back down to the support level or not, or whether it's going to hold that level on the 9 EMA, and it does hold that level for a little bit. So I'm getting ready to purchase here, and it doesn't quite reach over the highs of the day throughout the morning, but I'm getting in, and it does pop up there. So I'm 10% at a time. I'm waiting for that to pop up, and again, I'm very happy with this trade. I got in when I wanted to based on the indicators, and I got out when I wanted to. This one was obviously a $66.06 profit for this particular day. I did 5 or 6 different buy-ins, and then 3 or 4 different sells, I think. But I did originally go up to $90, and I was selling here. I was waiting to see whether that would pull up a little bit further, and it doesn't. So I actually just cut my losses. I took $30 off the top there, which I'm fine with. So it does. I'm waiting for to see if I can hold that position. It just doesn't quite do it. So I just got out straight away. I was quite happy with that, because I wasn't driven emotionally like I was on the Tuesday in the previous one that we were talking about. So very happy. Although it was a red week, not too bad overall. A lot of lessons learned. And as always, thank you very much for tuning in. I will see you all next week. Have a nice weekend.